Hey guys, I'm Celeste and welcome back to my channel, Celeste OE. Hope you guys are having a good day today. So we're in the car today. I'm going to go to the grocery store because we need to get some groceries for the next 4 or 5 days. And I plan on giving you guys a haul today and also just a little bit of cleaning motivation. I need to clean out the fridge because something spilled in there the other day, and so I need to just take everything out and clean that up, but it needs like a good scrub down anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today. And like I said, show you guys just a little haul from Walmart, and yeah, that's about it for today's. All right, so we are back from the store. We just got settled in and I got everything laid out for you guys. So I wanted to do like a shop with me kind of thing, which is why I recorded in the car earlier. But it was just a little crowded in there, and then I had Corey with me and it just didn't work out. So I was just like, well, we're not gonna get a shop with me today, and so we're back home, and let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I picked up some oatmeal pie, sour cream, turkey breast for my husband's lunch. He likes to pack sandwiches, some bacon for breakfast, brown sugar. I need this for one of the recipes. Some oil. I always just buy like a small thing of vegetable oil just to have on hand. Some yogurt because I want to just, Corey's getting picky right now with her meals and snacks as well. And so I picked up these yogurts. Hopefully she'll like them. So we're gonna try those out. Some hot dogs for Corey for her lunches or dinner. Some sausage. Y'all, these are the best sausages, like breakfast sausage. It is the best. And the hot, like they're not too hot to me, but it comes in hot and mild, but these are really good. I have some cilantro for another recipe, some spinach for Corey's smoothies. We have some milk, we have orange juice, some raisins to snack on, some Honest Kids drinks for Corey, some mac and cheese for Corey, French vanilla coffee pots, and some Cheez-Its, some goldfish for Corey's snacks, Pop-Tarts, strawberry, and then I also grabbed her some Mott's mixed berry applesauce. Let's come over here, and some eggs. Picked up some flour tortillas. I picked up these biscuits, the butter tasting biscuits, and it comes with 5 biscuits, so I just like to make quick breakfast sandwiches with these, and so I picked some of those up. Cheese, cookie dough, or cookies, some bread, some diced green chilies. I need this for a recipe, and also the tomato sauce. About 2 of those. Some W sauce, that's what I call it because I can't pronounce it properly. So some W sauce, some ketchup, wheat thins, some more drinks, Minute Maid, some pecan swirls. These are really good. Some small shells for one of the meals that I need. And some cleaning supplies. I have some Lysol, Febreze fabric spray. I bought another spray wave for downstairs. I only had one, and I love using it so far, and so I wanted one for upstairs and one for downstairs. Some Tide Pods, some bubble bath for Corey, and some soap. And my mom gave us some onions and potatoes. And then we have the Diet Ginger Ale. I like to drink these a lot, what me and my husband do. And he likes the Diet Green Teas, so those are really good. Some distilled water, because I use this water for my Keurig, and some paper towels. All right, so I'm going to actually put the food in the fridge and put the food away first, because I need to do some things before I have time to clean out the the fridge, and I also want to put Corey down for her nap as well, because I want to clean without being interrupted. And so I'm going to just go ahead and put her down for her nap and then clean out the fridge. All right, so let's go ahead and start cleaning this refrigerator. I'm just showing you how dirty the fridge is. You can see where the salsa spilled all over the bottom portion of the door, and then just regular spills and just little you know, messes from food on the shelves that I need to also clean off as well. So first I'm going to go ahead and start working on the door portion of the refrigerator. I'm just going to take everything out, and then after that take out each bin, and then wash those bins and then put them back on the door. To clean out the bins and also to wipe off some of the shelves in the refrigerator, I'm going to use some hot water and also some Dawn dish soap. Let me know in the comments below, how often do you clean your refrigerator? Do you clean once a week, bi-weekly, once a month? Let me know. So to clean the spilled salsa and also the refrigerator door, I'm going to use some Lysol and a microfiber towel to get everything nice and clean. So now that the door is clean, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the clean bins back on the door. Alright, so now the door is nice and clean, and so now I'm going to go ahead and move into the middle portion of the refrigerator and start to take everything out of there and clean the shelves and also the bottom bins in this area as well. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Celeste. I am a wife and stay-at-home mom to our daughter Corey. On this channel you will find lots of cleaning, motivation, and also eventually lifestyle type content. So I'm so glad that you are here. Comment below and say hello. And for my returning subscribers, hey guys, thank you guys for all the support that you give me on this channel. I greatly appreciate it. Alright, so now I'm still taking the same microfiber towel. I'm just wiping off the shelves. I'm using just the water that I use to clean the bins with, which is the hot water and Dawn dish soap, just to clean off the shelves and the inside of the refrigerator. So the inside of the refrigerator is nice and clean, and now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in. Alright, so the refrigerator is clean. Everything is so organized. I'm so happy that it's just out the way. I got this chore done. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe and share. And I will see you guys next time.